class.
Good morning.
Welcome to math.
Yay.
Today we're going to learn about fractions. So if you'll turn with me to your book. So the basic way a fraction works is you're always starting from 1. And as you can see, we have 3 examples of 3/4, 6/8, 12/16. Now what would this be if we were to look at it? Because there's 4 segments and 3 of them are colored.
It would be 3/4. There's 3.
Good job, good job.
There's 4 parts.
And because it's 3/4, it also equals 6/8.
Okay.
Which one would this be? We have 8 pie parts, and half of them are colored.
It would be 1/2.
What would the
Or 4/8.
4 2/4, 2/4? If I was to ask you which one this would be, there's 6 pie slices and one of them is colored. What would that be?
1 of the 6. So 1/6.
Yes. Well, it also equals 2/12, which also equals 4/24. If we're going to continue.
Okay.
This one has 5 out of the 6 colored in. What would that be?
5/6.
If I was going to subtract 1, what would that create?
4/6.
And if I was subtracting 2 from 5/6, what would that equal?
1/2.
Good job. Now we talk about adding fractions. To add fractions, you have to have the same denominator. When we talk about a fraction, we have the eighth, the eighth, the eighth, and eighth. So if I was going to add 5/8 plus 3/8, what would that equal?
8/8.
Which also equals 1.
Right.
If I was going to add 4/8 plus 5/8, that would equal
5/8.
Good job. Good job. Now I have a quiz that I would like to have you all go to. And what we'll do is we'll work on adding and subtracting fractions. What is 5/6 plus 4/6 in lowest terms? 9/6.
9/6.
1 and 1/3.
Okay.
Oh, actually, 3/2.
3/2.
Next one. What is 8/12 minus 6/12 in the lowest form? So
1/6.
2/12, 1/6. Yes. Good job. What is 6/8 minus 4/8 in lowest terms?
1/4.
So when we talk about lowest terms, if everyone in the class doesn't know already, lowest is the lowest that we can go. So 6/8 minus 4/8 would be
2/8.
2/8, and then we take it down to 1/4, which is the right answer, which you have. What is 7/19 minus 3/19? So that would be
4/19.
good job. Good job. What is 4/7 plus 2/7?
6/7.
Good job. Correct. What is 11/13 plus 6/13?
1 and 5/13. 4/13.
The answer would just be 17/13. What is 6/12 minus 3/12 in lowest terms?
1/4.
Good job. Okay, now that we've got that concept down, I would like to use this in a real life example. When we talk about fractions, I brought some money for everyone to look at. So if I have 4 quarters, and 4 quarters equals $1, if I take 1 quarter away, that equals how many quarters left?
3 quarters.
So 3 quarters is the answer. If I just have 1 quarter out of $1, what is that?
1 quarter.
1 quarter. Now let's say
1/4.
I have 3 dimes, but I want 7 more to make a full dollar. What is the fraction that I need to make a full dollar? Because I have 3 tens.
17.
So if I took that same principle with nickels, and I have 2 nickels, but I need however many more to make a full dollar, how many would I need, and what fraction would that be? So I have 10 out of 100, so I need 90,
9/10.
so 9 tenths. And the last one would be a penny. If I have 1 out of 100, how many more would I need?
99/100.
Now let's say I went to the store and I went to Quick Trip and I bought a drink that cost 89 cents, but the tax brought it to $1.05. And I gave them the $1.05 out of $2, which left 95 cents. What would that be out of 100?
95/100.
And if we could simplify that to lowest terms, what would that be?
95/100.
Okay. Next thing we're going to do another website. That's a quiz, and so you'll each write down your answers and then turn them over so no one can look, and then I'll collect your answers. So what fraction is a circle below 3 out of 4?
C.
Good job. What would you write for this one?
A.
Because there's 4 out of 8.
C. D. A. C. B. A. A.
There's one more.
B.
If we were to simplify that in the lowest terms, what would that be?
1/4.
Yep. So our results are in. got them all right. So, good job. Looks like our teaching is working. And with that, class, we'll go to recess and then we'll come back and learn more about fractions. Thank you.